ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટુ ઓલ. ટુડે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું પીડીપી અને સીપીપીડીમાં મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટ એસ્ટિમેટ. એના પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં એસ્ટિમેશન ઓફ ટોટલ પ્રોડક્શન કોસ્ટમાં જોયું હતું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન્સ પાર્ટ. એમાં કયા કયા બેઝિક્સ વસ્તુ આવશે એ જોયું હતું. ઓકે, તો નાવ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું આપણે મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટ. એના 3 ટાઈપ્સ છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ સિમ્પલી આપણે બેઝિક્સ કોન્સેપ્ટ જોઈશું આપણે મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટનો. Okay, so all expenses directly connected with the manufacturing cost, operation or the physical equipment of a process of plant itself are included in the manufacturing cost. And the expenses as considered here are divided into the 3 classification as follows. The first one is the direct production cost, second one is a fixed charge, and third one is a plant overhead cost. This is a 3 point is the most important. This 3 point is the most important. All the expenses directly connected with the manufacturing operation or the physical equipment of the process plant itself are included in the manufacturing cost. These expenses as considered here are divided into the 3 classifications as follows. The first one direct production cost, second one is the fixed charge, and third one is the plant overhead cost. Now the first one આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું ડિટેલમાં. A direct production cost. Included expenses is directly associated with the manufacturing operations. This type of cost involve expenditures also for raw materials including transportation, etc., direct operating labor, supervisory and clerical labor directly connected with the manufacturing operations. હવે એમાં કયા કયા મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ ઓપરેશન આવશે એ જોઈશું આપણે. પ્લાન્ટ મેન્ટેનન્સ છે અને રિપેર્સ છે. તો ઓપરેટિંગ સપ્લાયર્સ, પાવર અલ્ટિમેટ્સ, યુટિલિટીઝ, સમ પ્રોસેસ રોયલ્ટીઝ અને સમ રોયલ્ટીઝ કોસ્ટ. Okay, is a direct production cost, fixed charge and a plant overhead cost is the included in expenses directly associated with the manufacturing operation. This type of cost involve expenditure for raw materials including transportation, uploading, unloading, etc., direct operating labor, supervisory and clerical labor directly connected with the manufacturing operations, plant maintenance and repairs, operating supplies, power utilities, royalties and a catalyst. Okay, it should be recognized that some of the variables of cost listed here as part of the direct production cost have the element of fixed cost in them for the intense maintenance of and repair decreases, but not directly with the production's level because a maintenance and a repair cost still occurs when the process plant is shut down also. Now the fixed charge are expenses which remain practically and constant from year to the year and do not vary widely with change in production rate. Depreciation property taxes છે, some insurances and the rent required expenditures that can be classified as a fixed charge also. As a plant overhead cost are the for hospital and medical service, general plant maintenance and overhead safety services, the payroll overhead including pension and recreation facilities, salvage service, control laboratories, property protection and plant superintendence, warehouse and storage facilities, and special employees benefit. These costs are similar to the basic fixed charging, and they do not vary widely with the change in production rate. Okay. Simply is a manufacturing cost માં ત્રણ વસ્તુ આવે છે. તો plant overhead cost, direct production cost and fixed charge. ઓકે, તો ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે એ જ ડિટેલમાં. For a detail item is estimated, unit cost estimate part for a cost are for hospitals and medical services. Generally, the general plant maintenance and overhead cost, safety service, payroll overhead cost is okay. Then are the payroll overhead including pensions, vacations allowance, social security, now the restaurants, packaging, insurance, plant superintendence, warehouse and the storage facilities, and a special employee benefits. These costs are similar to the basic fixed charge in that they do not vary with the change in production rate also. ઓકે, તો મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટમાં ત્રણ પોઈન્ટ્સ આવે છે, એ ખાસ જોઈએ આપણે. એમાં વેરિયેબલ પ્રોડક્શન કોસ્ટ જોઈશું અને અલગ અલગ પોઈન્ટ આવશે ડિટેલ્સમાં તમારે જોવાના. મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટમાં જોવાનું આવશે તમારે રો મટીરિયલ, વેરિયેબલ પ્રોડક્શન કોસ્ટ, then operating labor may be divided into skill and underskill labors na basis par avse. Okay. Now, the all expenses directly connected with the manufacturing operation or the physically equipment of a process plant itself are included in the manufacturing cost. And the fixed charge, plant overhead cost, variable production cost. The variable production cost માં જોઈશું આપણે the included expenses directly associated with the manufacturing operations. Okay, this type of the cost involve expenditure of raw materials, transportation, unloading, direct operating labor, supervisory and clerical labor transportation operating. In a fixed charge માટે જોઈએ આપણે in expenses which are practically independent of the productions are expenditure or the depreciation property. And then a plant overhead cost. The cost are the hospital and medical services, General plant maintenance. Generally, plant maintenance and overhead safety services, payroll, overhead including social security and packaging, restaurant, recreational facilities, life insurance and vacations allowance. The packaging, productions, plant superintendence, warehouse and storage facilities ના બેઝિસ પર જોવાનું રહેશે. Now, special employees benefit. These costs are the similar to the basic fixed charge since they do not vary widely with change in the production rate. ઓકે, પ્રોડક્શન રેટ પર તમે ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ જોવાનું આવશે, જેમાં રો મટીરિયલ્સ છે, ઓકે, ઓપરેટિંગ લેબર્સ છે. આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું કે આપણે વેરિયેબલ્સ કયા કયા અંદર આવી શકે. ઓકે, પ્લાન્ટ ઓવરહેડ કોસ્ટ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો આપણે જોઈશું મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટમાં વેરિયેબલ પ્રોડક્શન કોસ્ટ, દેન ઓપરેટિંગ લેબર માટે એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. નાવ સિમ્પલી ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ફોર અ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કોસ્ટ. એમાં અલગ અલગ પોઈન્ટ્સ કયા કયા આવશે જોઈશું. જનરલ એક્સપેન્સીસ. ઓકે, ડાયરેક્ટ પ્રોડક્શન કોસ્ટમાં હવે રો મટીરિયલ્સ છે, ઓપરેટિંગ લેબર્સ, એ ડિસ્કશન કરીશું ડિટેલમાં આપણે. દેન ઓલ ધીસ પોઈન્ટ રિગાર્ડિંગ ધીસ ધેર એસ્ટિમેશન લેબર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ, સોલ્યુશન્સ કયા કયા આવશે, યુટિલિટીઝ, maintenance and repair part, operating supply, laboratory cost, patent alloys, catalyst solvents, depreciation, insurance, rent, overhead cost, okay, administrative cost, distribution and costing, research and development cost, interest. All these points are in this part. Simply is a manufacturing part is a generally 3 points જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. All these expensive directly connected with the manufacturing operation or the physical equipment of a process in a plant itself are included in the manufacturing cost. These expenses as considered here are divided into the 3 classifications as the follows. The first one, direct production cost, fixed charge and a plant overhead cost. Direct production cost included the expenses directly associated with the manufacturing operation. This type of cost involve expenditures for raw materials including the transportation, unloading, etc. The direct operating labor and supervisory and clerical labor directly connected with the manufacturing operations, and the plant maintenance and repairs, operating supplies, the power utilities, royalties and catalyst. It should be recognized that some of the variables cost. The list is here a part of the direct production cost have an element of fixed cost is in them. For 2 points is there, fixed charge and a plant overhead જોઈ લો એકવાર. Now the fixed charge are expenses which remain practically constant from year to year and do not vary widely with change in a production rate. Depreciation, property taxes, insurance and rent require for expenditure that can be classified as a fixed charge also. And a plant overhead cost are the hospitals and medical services, general plant maintenance and overhead safety services, and the payroll overhead including pensions, vacation allowance part, social security and life insurance packaging the restaurants are restriction facilities also. Okay, these are all point regarding the manufacturing cost ના related છે. ઓકે, આ બધા પોઈન્ટ્સ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. પ્લાન્ટ ઓવરહેડ કોસ્ટ ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈશું. ફિક્સ ચાર્જ એ જોઈ લીધું છે, મેન 3 જ છે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.